Printing error, ink pad end life. Let's try to print a file. Press Ctrl P. You will see the printing error icon below. If you click the icon, this one will appear. Let's read the error. A printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life. Please contact EPSON support. You will also notice the start button blinking, and also two orange light blinking on the printer. This means that the printer is not ready for use. If we contact EPSON support, it will cost a lot. So I will teach you this troubleshooting. Open google.com and search for Wick Reset. Click this one. Free download Wick Reset Utility Tools, EPSON Reset Keys. Then click Download Wick Reset Utility for Windows Zip. If downloading is finished, go to Downloads and find Wick Reset. Click Wick Reset and choose Run. Click Yes. Click I accept the agreement. Then Next. Click Next again. Then click Install. Click Finish. Then this will appear. Click the EPSON printer that you are currently using. Then click Reset Waste Counter. We need a reset key in order to continue. Enter the word trial. Press OK, and after that, click Continue. Trial key will set printer's counter to 80%. Trial key can only be used once for each printer. Click Yes to this. Not it says that reset has started and do not turn off your printer after waiting for few minutes. Reset completed. It says that please turn off the printer now. Now let's turn it off. Press the start button for 2 seconds. Congratulations! Your printer's waste counter have now been reset. Once your printer has shut down, you can then turn it back on and continue to use the printer as normal. Click Close and try to print now. Turn the printer on. The two orange lights didn't appear now, but the power button is still blinking. It means that the printer is busy. Just wait for the blinking to stop. Now, let's print some documents. Tada! It's fixed without paying any money.